How to create an account on Goodreads. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an account on Goodreads. So to do that, first of all, open up the Goodreads app on your mobile device. Now you can find this app on both your Play Store as well as your App Store. Simply go ahead and download it from there. Now, once you've opened the app, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where it'll basically provide you with two different options. The first one is sign in and the second one is sign up. Now, if you already have an account, simply tap on the option sign in and log into your account. But if you don't and you want to create one, simply tap on the option sign up. After that, it'll basically provide you three different options. You can either sign up using your email address, or you can also sign up using your Amazon account or your Apple account. So for now, I'll simply choose continue with Apple. Tap on the option continue. After that, in order to finish registration, simply tap on the option create account. Then if you want, you can find friends, but if you don't, tap on the option skip, which is in the top right corner of your screen. After that, select your genres, tap on the option next, rate 20 books. I'll again tap on the option skip, and there you have it. So that is basically how you create an account on Goodreads. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.